Hello friends, today we will start new chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So, before we come to the linear equation in two variables, we will see what is linear equation in one variable. We will see one or two more questions on based on linear equation in one variable. Then we come to the linear equation in two variables. So, the first thing, that is what is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. You must have learned this concept in your previous class. Linear equation in one variable. An equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable, where a should not be equal to 0 and a and b are real numbers. An equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0 where a comma b belongs to a real number and a not equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable. It's called linear equation in one variable. An equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0 where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable. Let us see some examples. 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So linear equation in one variable. We can see a is 2, b is 3. Another example I can write 3x is equal to 0. This is again linear equation in one variable. No doubt here b is not there, but it is okay. b can be 0. A should not be 0. If I write x root 2 is equal to 0. Again it's a linear because root 2 is a real number. So these are the examples of linear equation in two variables, in one variable. Okay. Now we will see some questions that how to solve the linear equation in one variable. To get the solution of linear equation in one variable, that means to get the value of variable that satisfies the equation. So note it down, then we will see linear questions based on linear equation in one variable. Very first question, solve the equation and verify your answer. Solve the equation and verify your answer. In this first one, 4x minus 5 is equal to 3. You have to solve this equation. That means whenever it is asked to solve the equation, that means you have to find the value of the variable. Okay, and that value of variable should satisfy the equation. Then we say our answer is verified. So here we have to obtain the value of x. So for that what I will do, I will transpose this minus 5 on the right hand side. So as it is minus 5, here it will become plus 5. So here I will get 4x is equal to 8, which on further solving gives me 2. So here x is equal to 2. This is our answer. So here I say that solution of the equation is x equal to 2. Now I have to verify my answer. So here we will see how to verify. So verification. Verification means if you put x equal to 2 on left hand side, you should get right hand side. Okay. Or in other words, left hand side must be equal to right hand side. So for verification, I will start with the left hand side of the equation. 4x minus 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to 4 into 2 minus 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to 8 minus 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to 3. So hence I can write LHS. Now 3 is actually RHS. So here I can say LHS equal to RHS. So here I will write hence verified. Okay, so answer is verified because here we got left hand side equal to right hand side by substituting the variable as 2 because we obtain 2 as the solution of the equation. So please note it down, then we will see the next question. Now next question. See, the first question I took very easy just to give the concept. Now we will see a little bit lengthy question that you may get in your WRTs. Okay. So next question is 1 minus x upon 6 plus 2x upon 3 minus 1 minus 7x upon 4 is equal to 2 integer 1 upon 6. Okay, 1 minus x upon 6 plus 2x upon 3 minus of 1 minus 7x upon 4 is equal to 2 integer 1 upon 6. This is the question here. Again we have to solve, that means we have to find the value of x as well as we have to verify our answer. So to get the value of x, first of all I have to take the LCM of the denominators of 6, LCM of the denominator of the left hand side. So here I will write an LCM of 6, 3 and 12 will be 12. Okay, so here I will write 2 into 1 minus x plus 6 2s are 12, so I multiply numerator by 2. 3 4s are 12, so I will multiply the numerator by 4. Over here 4 3s are 12, so I will multiply numerator by 3. 3 into 1 minus 7x is equal to, I will convert this into simple fraction, 13 upon 6. Now here I will multiply, I will open the bracket, so 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus x minus 2x, then plus 8x, then minus 3 plus 21x. Okay, minus 3 plus 21x divided by 12 is equal to 13 upon 6. Next, now here I will take the like term. So 2, 3, these are the like terms, and the remaining terms have x. So I I will write 2 minus 3, then I will do write all the terms containing x, that is minus 2x plus 8x plus 21x divided by 12 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now further, I will simplify the numerator. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and over here 8x plus 21x, 29x, 29x minus 2x, 27x divided by 12 is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay. After this, now I will cross multiply. I will take 6 over here, 12 over here. But if I take 6 over here and 12 over here, better to take this 12 on this side, then I can cancel this 6 and 12. So I will write therefore minus 1 plus 27x is equal to 12 multiplied by 13 upon 6. So here I will get minus 1 plus 27x is equal to 6, 2 are 12, 13 2 are 26. So here I will get 27x is equal to, I will take this 1 on that side, I will transpose this one from left to right. So here it will become 26 plus 1. Ultimately I will get 27x is equal to 27, hence I can say x is equal to 1. 27 upon 27, 1. So here this is the final answer. Value of x is equal to 1. Okay. Now next thing that we have to verify our answer. That means if I put x equal to 1 on the left hand side, I should get the right hand side. So before I proceed, please note down this. Okay, now we will see the verification for the same question. Okay, so verification. For this verification, I will take left hand side. That is 1 minus x upon 6 plus 2x upon 3 minus 1 minus 7x upon 4. That is the left hand side. Now what I have to do? I have to put x equal to 1 to verify this. So 1 minus 1 upon 6, so this will ultimately become 0. Plus 2 into 1 upon 3 minus 1 minus 7 into 1 upon 4. Okay, this is the left hand side. On solving it further, here 1 minus 1 0, so 0 upon 6 is ultimately 0. Here I will get 2 upon 3 minus 1 minus 7 upon 4. Further, I will get left hand side is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, 2 upon 3 in here minus 6 upon 4. Okay, 1 minus 7 is minus 6. So on solving it further, 2 by 3 plus 6 upon 4. 2 by 3 plus, if I cancel this, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now I have to take LCM, which is 6. So here I will get 4 and here I will get 9. It is 13 upon 6. On simplifying it in the mixed fraction form, because right hand side is in mixed fraction form, so I will convert this into mixed fraction. So I will get 2 integer 1 upon 6. So here ultimately I can say left hand side LHS is equal to RHS. So here I can say hence verified. Okay, our answer is verified because we got left hand side is equal to right hand side. If in any case you are not getting left hand side equal to right hand side, it is quite possible that either your answer is wrong, that means the value that you got is wrong, or it is quite possible that after putting x equal to whatever you got over here, you have some calculation mistake. Okay, so this is verified. Please note it down, then we come to the next question. Okay, we will see one more question and then we come to the next concept. We will solve one more question of the question is what variable. Question number 3. It is 2 minus 3 minus x upon x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 4 upon x plus 1. Okay, 2 minus 3 minus x upon x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 4 upon x plus 1. So let us solve this. Okay, here there are more than one way. Either here I have to directly the LCM, or what I can do, I can take this term containing x on the right hand side, and then by solving further I will get the answer. So I am doing the same thing. I am taking this complete quantity, that is this thing on the right hand side. So this will become 3x plus 4 upon x plus 1, and when I take this on the right hand side, this will become 3 minus x upon x minus 1. Okay, so now this is 2 is equal to, over here now I have to cross multiply because I have to take LCM. Okay, so LCM in this case is x plus 1 into x minus 1, and over here I will get 3x plus 4 into x minus 1 plus 3 minus x into x plus 1. Okay, so next I will get over here 2 is equal to, now over here I have to multiply, so this is actually binomial to binomial multiplication that you must learn in class 8 in the chapter algebraic expression. Monomial to monomial, monomial to binomial, then binomial to binomial. So 3x multiplied by x, that is 3x squared. 3x multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 3x. 4 multiplied by x, that is 4x. 4 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus. Then 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x. 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. Minus x multiplied by x, that is minus x square. Minus x multiplied by 1, that is minus x. If I talk about the denominator, definitely you can multiply in the same way, but here you should understand there is an identity. It is x plus 1, x minus 1. It is a plus b into a minus b, which gives you a square minus b square. That is 1. Okay, now I will simplify the numerator by adding or subtracting the like terms. So if I talk about like terms, here I have 3x squared, then minus x squared. So 3x squared minus x squared, I am directly writing 2 is equal to 2x squared. Okay. this 3x square minus x square, that is 2x square. Now I will see the terms containing x. So this is term containing x, this is the term containing x, this is the term containing x, and this. There are 4 terms which contain x. So minus 3x plus 3, they will cancel out each other. What I will left with 4x minus x, that is plus 3x. Okay, minus 3x plus 3, they will cancel out each other, and over here 4x minus x. Now we will see the terms, numeric terms only. So minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1, divided by x square minus 1, x square minus 1. Now I will take this term which is in the denominator over here, cross multiplication you can say. So this gives me 2 multiplied by x square minus 1 is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 1. So this ultimately gives me 2x square minus 2 is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 1. Okay, now I will take all the terms containing x on the left hand side and all the numerical terms on the right hand side. So 2x square, then I will take this 2x square over here, and minus 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 2. Okay, this minus 2 will come over there, so plus 2. So here I will get this 2x square and 2x square will cancel out each other. Minus 3x is equal to 1. So ultimately our answer is x equal to minus 1 upon, this is our final answer. X is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Okay, after this we have to verify, but first of all note it down, then we will see its verification. Let us see its verification. X equal to minus 1 by 3. Now verification can be done in 2 ways. First I take this term over there, then I put the value of x, or simply whatever is the left hand side, over there I will put the value of x. So for verification, left hand side. Here left hand side is 2 minus 3 minus x upon x minus 1. Okay, so LHS is equal to 2 minus. Now value of x is minus 1 by 6. So here I am using this bracket, 3 minus 1 upon 3 divided by minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Okay, so on further simplification, I will get left hand side is equal to 2 minus. Okay, now here I will get 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, and this is in the numerator, so I can say this is actually, in division, divide by minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is plus 1 upon 3, and this is a division sign, so I applied the division sign and then I got whatever is in the denominator. Let us see what I will get the next. So here left hand side is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 1 upon 3, that is If there is 1, so LCM will be 3. So here I will get 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1 by 3. That is 10 by 3. Here I will get 10 upon 3 divided by here I will get minus 1, then 3. If I solve this, here it will be 3 minus 1, then minus 3. That is minus 4 by 3. Here I will get minus 4 by 3 divided by minus 4 upon 3. On further simplification, I can write left hand side is equal to 2 minus 10 upon 3 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4. Okay, when I interchange the sign, division and multiplication, I have to change the numerator and the denominator. So here I will get left hand side is equal to 2 minus, so 3 and 3 will cancel out. 2 5s are 2 4s are. So here I will get minus 5 by 2. So ultimately, simplified form of LHS is 2 plus 5 by 2. Finally, I can say left hand side. Again here I have to take LCM. LCM will be 2. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. So I will get 4 plus 5 by 2. So finally I can say left hand side is equal to 9 upon 2. Now in this case, right hand side also contains x. So after solving the left hand side, now I have to solve the right hand side. Then only it is possible to say whether our answer is verified or not. So after this, now I will solve the right hand side. Okay, over here I am solving the right hand side. Right hand side. Right hand side is 3x plus 4 upon x plus 1. Okay, so right hand side 3. X is equal to minus 1 upon 3. X is equal to minus 1 upon 3 plus 4 divided by minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Okay, now this 3 and 3 I can cancel out. So in numerator I will get minus 1 plus 4. Over here I will get minus 1 plus 3. Okay. Minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. So here LCM will be 3 minus 1 plus 3 divided by 3. So here I will get 3. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3, and over here 2 upon 3. Now this 3 will come over here, so ultimately I will get 3 into 3 upon 2, that is 9 upon 2. So here clearly we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let us say this is equation number 1, let us say this is equation number 2. So here I can write from first and second LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay, so that's all about the verification. Now please note it down, this verification. Okay, then come to the next concept. Okay, now next we will see linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. That is the basically that we have to learn in this chapter. Whatever learned till now, whatever we learned in this lecture is actually the part of class 8. I gave you just a quick revision. Next we will see linear equation in two variables. So first of all we will see definition, linear equation in two variables. two variables. Linear equation two variables. An equation of the form, an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c belongs to real number, are real numbers. Also a is not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Okay, an equation of the form ax plus b plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to real number. Also, here I should write also a and b should not be 0 together. That means either a might be 0 or b might be 0. Both cannot be 0 simultaneously. Okay, it's called a linear equation in two variables. It's called a linear equation in two variables. It's called a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so that is the definition of linear equation in two variables. Let us see some examples. I can write 2x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. 3x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, c might be 0. Okay, then x root 2 minus y root 3 plus root 5 is equal to 0. Again, a linear equation in two variables. The only thing that x and y both should not be 0 together. Okay, that means I can say this is also a linear equation. 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. See, here you are not able to see the second variable, that is y. So I can convert this equation in this form, in this 2x plus 0y plus 7 is equal to 0. So we can say that every linear equation in one variable can be written in the form of linear equation in two variables. Going to that note, each linear equation in one variable, each linear equation in one variable, each linear equation in one variable, each linear equation can be expressed, in the form of linear equation in two variables, in the form of a linear equation in two variables. Okay, each linear equation in one variable can be expressed in the form of a linear equation in two variables. So please note it down, then we'll see very basic questions up to what we learned till now. we see very basic questions of the based on this definition and this note. So, very first question is write each of the following. Write each of the following. Write each of the following as an equation. As an equation in two variables. Write each of the following as an equation in two variables. In this, first one is 3x is equal to minus 7. Okay. Second one is 5y is equal to 7 upon 3. Third one is equal to 13x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So you have to write each of the given equation in a form of an equation in two variables. So see, whenever it is asked to write an equation in two variables, we always try to write in the standard form. The standard form says ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means on right hand side we should take 0. All the other terms we will try to take on the left hand side. So here this can be written as 3x, here it is given 3x equal to minus 7. So first of all, here we can see there is only one variable x, and as we have to write this equation in two variables, it means there must be y as well. So as I have to take y, so I will take y with its coefficient 0, because 0 into y ultimately will be 0, and in that case quotient remains same. Now this dot means multiplication, don't consider it as a decimal. So 0y, now this minus 7 I will take on the left hand side, plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is our answer. 3x plus 0y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable, but we are writing it in the form of two variables. Now if I consider this is equation in two variables, and we know this is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. So now questions may be asked, what is the value of a? So a is the coefficient of x, and over here 3 is the coefficient of x. So a is equal to 3. Similarly, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 7. Okay. Now here's solution of the second one. This is 5y is equal to 7 by 3. It is given 5y is equal to 7 by 3. 5y is equal to 7 upon 3. So again, now here you can see x is not there. So how I will write 0 into x plus 5y minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the linear equation in two variables. Now here one thing more can be done. I can take 3 as the LCM. So this will become 0x plus 15y minus 7 is equal to 0. That is also correct. But in this type of question, generally what we will do, we take the constant term as it is, whether it is in the rational form, decimal form, okay, irrational, whatever. So here this is the solution. It is 0 into x plus 5y minus 7 by 3 is the two variable form of the given equation. Now third one. Okay, this is 13x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So 13x plus 0y plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so what I did, x is there, y is not there. So I included y with 0 coefficient and I took whatever is in the left hand side and the right hand side. So this is the standard form, or this is the two variable form of the given equation. because it's very easy to write an equation which is in one variable and we have to write this into two variables. Okay, it was equally 3x plus 0y plus 7 is equal to 0. So now let us see the next question. Next question is, write each of the following equations. Write each of the following equation. Write each of the following equation in the standard form. In the standard form. Write each of the following equation in the standard form and indicate the values of A, B and C in each case. A, B and C in each case. Okay. So here again we will see one or two questions. So first of all, you have to write in the standard form. Standard form, that means you have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and then you have to obtain the values of a, b and c. So very first question is 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2.5. Okay, you have to write this in the standard form. So this is standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So that means right hand side must be 0. So for that, what I have to do, I have to take that quantity which is on the right hand side on the left hand side. So this is the standard form. Okay, now we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So that a is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 2.5. See, here they are asking the values of a, b, c. They might ask to find the value of c upon a. So after converting or after writing the equation into standard form, we have to find the value of c upon a. So over here, if they ask the value of c upon a, that will be minus 2.5 upon a. Okay, this will be the value of c upon a. That is minus of 1 upon 1.25. Okay, I just gave you one example, and it is not necessary that they will ask the value of a, b, c directly. They may ask in this way as well. Okay, let us see one more example, that how to write the given equation in the standard form, then how to obtain the values of a, b and c. 7x is equal to 9y. 7x is equal to 9y. Now, here I can write 7x minus 9y plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so here I can say a is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 0. Okay, so here they might ask for the value of a minus b. So suppose if I have to find a minus b, what it will be? 7 minus 9, that is 7 plus 9, that is 16. Okay, a minus b will be 16. If they ask, so I am just giving you example, and after, if we have values of a, b and c, we can find any expression which includes a, b, c. Okay, so please note it down. Okay, we'll see one more question. see one more question. Third, x is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus x. Okay, so we have to write this equation in the standard form. So x is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2x. So x plus 2x is equal to 2. So here I will get 3x plus 0y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a standard form. Term containing x, term containing y, and then constant term is equal to 0. So here I can say a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 2. Okay, please note it down. Then we will see one or two word problems based on linear equation in one variable. Let us see one or two questions. So, very first question: the angles of a triangle are word problems. Linear equation in one variable. Okay, that is again a part of class 8, but still we will see one or two questions so that you will get an idea how to solve the word problem, because we have to solve the word problems in linear equation in two variables as well. So, very first question: the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles. Okay, ratio of the angles is given and you have to find the angles. Now, first of all, the basic thing that you must know to get the solution of this question, that what is the sum of the angles of the triangle? What is the sum of all three interior angles of a triangle? Okay, this is the one thing that you know. And another thing that you should know, if the any quantity, here we are talking about angles, suppose we are talking about sides, or suppose we are talking about edges, weights, whatever. If the data is in the ratio, then how to convert that into the direct form? So here angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Therefore, angles must be 2x, 3x, and 4x. That you should understand. Ratio is 2:3:4, so we will say angles as 2x, 3x, and 4x. Suppose ratio of edges is given 19:23, then edges will be 19x and 23. Suppose ratio of weight is given 140:130:120, then we will take the weight as 120x, 130x, and 140x. That means we have to multiply this x with each and every ratio. Now, here angles, we got the measurement of angles in terms of x. Okay. Now we should know that sum of angles is how much? 180 degree. Now, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, I can write 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, I can say 9x is equal to 180 degree. Hence, I can say x is equal to 20. Okay, now as soon as I got the value of x, it is very easy to get the measure of angle because we have a measure of angle in terms of x. So therefore, angles are 2x, that is 2 into 20, that is 40 degree. 3x is equal to 3 into 20, that is 60 degree. 4x is equal to 4 into 20, that is 80 degree. So here you can verify your answer as well. 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. So sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Okay, so please note it down. Then we see the next question. Okay, let us see the next question. The ages of Kamal and Sonal, the ages of Kamal and Sonal are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence, 10 years hence, the ratio of their ages, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Will be 9:7. What we have to find? Their present ages. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Okay, so again it is almost similar to the previous question because again here ratio is given. 7x is to 5x. Okay, and 10 years hence, that means we are talking about after 10 years. That means what? So if the current age is 5, what will be the age after 10 years? 15. If current age is 3, what will be the age after 10 years? 10 plus 3. So here I am considering current ages as 7x and 5x. So ratio of ages is 7:5. Therefore, ages must be 7x and 5x. Okay, now after 10 years, see 10 years hence means we are talking about future ages after 10 years. So if you are not getting with the word hence, you should get by will be. Will be, that means we are talking about the future. So 10 years hence, that means after 10 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Okay. Now these are the current ages, therefore ages must be, or the current ages must be this. Therefore, ages after 10 years will be 7x plus 10 will be 7x plus 10 and 5x plus 10, isn't it? If the current age is 7x, after 10 years we have to add 10. For example, your current age is 15 years, so your age after 10 years will be plus 10. It means you have to add 10 to get the age whatever you will be after 10 years. So here current ages are 7x and 5x. So after 10 years, 7x plus 10, 5x plus 10. Now further it is given in the question that ratio of these ages, that means ratio of the ages after 10 years is 9:7. Okay. Now ratio of ages after 10 years is 9:7. Okay, so I can write 7x plus 10 divided by 5x plus 10 is equal to 9/7. That is the thing they want to say. Ratio of the ages. Which ages? After 10 years. So this is the ratio of Kamal and this is the ratio of Sonal. So their ages after 10 years are in the ratio 9:7. Now we have to solve it to get the value of x. So cross multiplication, that is 7 multiplied by 7x plus 10. Okay, this 7 will come over it, this will come over there. 9 multiplied by 5x plus 10. So here what I will get? 49x plus 70 is equal to 45x plus 90. Okay, now I will take x on the left hand side. So 49x minus 45x is equal to 90 minus 70. So ultimately, now 49x minus 45x, that gives you 4x. Okay. So here I can write 4x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Okay, therefore x is equal to 5. Now, this is not our answer. Here we are not asked to find the value of x. Here what we have to find? Their present ages. And what are their present ages? 7x and 5x. So therefore present ages are 5x, 7x, that is 7 into 5, 35 years, and 5x, that is 5 into 5, 25 years. Okay, we have to write the unit at the end. Okay, so here we are talking about ages, that means we are talking about years. So present age of Kamal is 35 years and present age of Sonal is 25 years. Okay, so please note it down. So this is all about today's lecture. Now in next lecture we will see some new concept of the linear equation in two variables. Till then, bye. Thank you. Take care. Stay at home.